What's up? It's Hannah, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you my slime collection, but you probably already knew that by the title, because that's what titles are for. And so make sure you like and subscribe, and let's just get on to the video. I'm here, and I'm going to show you my slime collection, like I said. And here's my first slime. It's not really called Golden French Kiss. That was from my friend, and she was weird. And no friends. Okay. So this is a bubblegum slime, and I mixed like Model Magic, and it was already like a jiggly slime. So it's like kind of weird, but I just call it bubblegum slime because it looks like bubblegum and it feels like bubblegum. Not that I know what. Okay, sorry, that was my friend. And not that I know what bubblegum feels like. Bubblegum feels like. It's okay. Yeah, she's doing homework right now and she's not really happy about it. So.
Because I'm doing stupid test corrections.
But it's okay. She'll try to be quiet, right? Okay, let's keep going. That's a whole minute that I just wasted. Next slime I have is this hot pink slime. I'm not going to pick it up because you can see my hands. Probably not because they're like better now. The last encounter with this kind of got messed up. But it's really hot pink, as you can see. And it's a good clicky slime. But yeah. Okay. Next slime I have is a blue slime that has pink in it, but whatever. And this I made, you know how most people use like Tide? I made this out of Gain, and I'm surprised it worked actually. I'm very surprised. Very clicky, yes. Here is my next one, my Floam. And it is a pink Floam. I have a lot of pink slimes, by the way. And my pink Floam is cool. And also really sticky, so I'm going to put it down right now. It's kind of clicky, not really, but oh well. I'm being like really awkward right now, but I don't really care. Yeah. Okay, my next one is this one. It's probably one of my favorite ones. Oh no, okay. It's like a nice green clicky slime. It's just a normal one. It's really big though. Oh no. Yeah. But the next slime is like a lotion color slime. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's like not really white. It's like tannish. Can't really see it, but it's really stretchy and nice. And it's like not sticky at all. That's one thing I like about it. It smells like lotion too. Okay. My next one is this blue slime. See? And I mixed it with Model Magic and it kind of got ruined. But my next slime is a pink slime, because I have a lot. And it is, I got this from like a slime account, like I bought it. So it's only 50 cents, and I was like, sure. No wonder it was 50 cents, because it's very, like, bad. Very bad. But that's okay. It was only 50 cents, so I don't really care. And the girl lived in Mexico. No, just kidding. She lived right next to Mexico, she said. Next, another pink slime. This is my last pink slime. And it's very little. I don't know why it's in the siege container. It's stretchy. It's squishy. And it's not very clicky. Let me see. Oh, it is clicky. A little bit. Not really. But, yes. Next one. White slime. In a bag. The first one that I showed you, the bubblegum one, was actually part of this, like half of this. I just took it out and added a little bit of Model Magic. But yeah, this one's nice and squishy and not sticky. Another good quality. I think I've already said that. Oops. There goes another slime again. And for another slime, I only have 4 more. I have a big slime collection. For my next one, it's a teal one. It's kind of old. And it's spiderweb slime. So I added silly string in it. And it's like, kind of made it hard. But it's okay. Okay, these next
You
4.
didn't finish, and this is one question.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll cut that out. This is a store-bought. So are these 3. Or the other 3. And this one has like a lot of glitter in it. Like, look, I barely touch it. Oh, now the glitter's going away. Okay. So let me just... Oh, no. Really, as soon as I ask someone to look at my hand, it's so glittery, it's not even glittery. Whatever. Yeah, it like that was 3 pokes, and the glitter, that's where all this glitter is, like up here. It's really annoying. It's that one. Oh, this was a glitzy slime. The next one is fluffy, and I love this one. Sorry, that's my chair. Love it. It's so squishy and soft. And like, seriously, it feels like a pillow. It's super soft. My next 2 are jiggly slimes, so they say neon on the bottom. And see, that one has a blue charm in it, by the way. So I'll open this one first. This one's a lot more jiggly than the first. Like, look. They do not stretch at all. Or, I guess, I stand corrected. But it's like hard to stretch them. But it feels like water in your hands. Yeah, these are not my favorite. This one has a teddy bear charm in it. That's like how it came. Teddy bear charm is really weird. Like, who puts that in slime, people? But this one's definitely not stretchy. Oh no! Okay, it's all good. It just fell on my table. Okay, the bear's going back in. And, okay, so, I know my camera's sideways, okay? I'm not stupid. And, thanks for watching my slime collection video. I know it was kind of boring, but I didn't really know what to do, and today was a half day at school, so it gave me time to record. But you should comment ideas down below of things I could do and videos I can show you. And thanks for watching.